ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमोद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयो अस्ति अभ्यास 55 55। अस्तु, सुंदर जी कृपया पठतु क शब्दानि और कोश पठतु।
कुञ्चुकः
कंचुकः,
कंचुकः कुर्ता, उत्तरीय चादर दुपट्टा, कंबलः कंबल, नीशानः रजाई, पादयामः पैजामा, तूलः रुई,
cotton, that's it.
cotton.
These are all pullinga. कंचुकः तूलः पुल्लिंग शब्दानि। अग्रे स्त्रीलिंग। हाँ सुंदर जी
कंटिन्यू।
हाँ।
Okay. शाटिका साड़ी, शैया बिस्तर खाट, रशना
रशना,
कमरबंद नाड़ा,
which in English also is kamarband, right? Kamarband. See, yeah.
Yeah, they say that.
Upana,
उपहाना जूता,
shoes, चप्पल, whatever.
ऊष्णीशम पगड़ी टर्बन।
हाँ, तो अग्रे from ऊष्णीशम etc. it is all नपुंसकलिंग. उपानः is स्त्रीलिंग. ऊष्णीशम पगड़ी टर्बन अंगप्रोक्षणम etc. is all नपुंसकलिंग. हाँ, अंगप्रोक्षणम
अंगप्रोक्षणम अंगोच्छा,
टॉवल,
शिरस्कम टोपी
कैप,
अधो वस्त्रम धोती, and मुखप्रोक्षणम रुमाल. How nice.
hair, handkerchief, face towel, whatever.
Handkerchief. कटी सूत्रम, करधनी मेखला. What is this?
Belt.
Belt.
कटी सूत्रम मतलब बेल्ट जैसे whatever you tie as a belt.
उपदानम तकिया, अवकुष्ठनम घूंघट.
उपधानम pillow you can say.
Pillow.
Avaguntanam is like veil.
It's like a veil.
Veil, correct. Ghungat. Kha धातवः.
खरीदना, बिक्री बेचना,
खरीदना to buy, vikri opposite.
To buy, vikri
sell.
To opposite, to sell. बांधना to tie.
Or bind. Bind also.
To bind. Matana to churn. Ash khana to eat. Mush churana to steal. Klish dukh dena to give grief.
इसके लिए अश खाना, that's why we say ashanaya for ashanaya pipasa etc. So this vikri is only atmanepada, kri is in ubhayapada, bandh mata etc. Ubhayapada, kri is ubhayapada, but viruddha, opposite artha of kri, to sell is atmanepada. धन्यवादः सुंदर जी. क कंचुकः तूल रामवत पुल्लिंग. क्री क्लिश क्री के तुल्य. दिस इज ऑल पार्ट ऑफ क्रियादिगण. क्रियादिभ्यो श्नुः, राइट? क्रियादिभ्यो श्नुः. श्नु विकरण प्रत्यय विल कम. क्रीणाति इट विल बिकम. अस्तु. क्री उभयपद. उ मतलब उभयपद. You will see क्री धातु के दोनों पदों के दसों लकार के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. उसके पहले अन्य तद्धित प्रत्यय जात भव Bhava, Adi. All these pratyayas are going to come today. Some new pratyayas will come. Ha, Prashna Kim?
So, if we say Kriyadibhyah Shnuhu,
Adi.
so the na, because it's Kri, na ke pehle ra aa gaya. So from that, natva vidhana will happen and then it becomes na. It
Correct.
will work that way or
Correct. That is why for Kri Dhatu, Nakara is coming, right? Krinati. That is Kri Dhatu. Kri Dhatu, Krinati will come. But it will not, obviously, it is Shnuhu, Nakara only. It is not Nakara. Shnuhu.
like
Satyam.
for Badhanati it will be.
Correct.
Badhanati mein wo nahi.
Correct. Exactly. Math also. Manth also. Nakara. But Badha and Mata, the Nakara will go away. We have seen this before. In Bandha Dhatu, Latlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachana is Badhanati, not Bandhanati. Same for Mantha Dhatu. Nakara is there, Ardha Nakara, but it gets Lopa. This is through a sutra, Kopi Smarati va? Little hard. There is a sutra here. We have seen before. Aniditam hala upadhayaha niti. Through that sutra, that ardha nakara will go away and the nakara will come after dhakara. So badhanati, mathanati in that way. Astu, agree. Kri dhatu bhaya pada dhatu sankhya prashtaha. This will be your page number 60. अस्तु सुमंजय जी कृपया पठतु लट् लोट् लङ् विधिलिङ् उभयपद क्री धातु
परस्मै पद लट् लकार क्रीणाति क्रीणीतः क्रीणन्ति क्रीणासि क्रीणीथः क्रीणीथः क्रीणामि क्रीणीवः क्रीणीमः आत्मनेपद लट् लकार क्रीणीते क्रीणाते क्रीणन्ते क्रीणीषे
क्रीणीते क्रीणाते क्रीणते
क्रीणीषे क्रीणाते क्रीणते क्रीणे क्रीणीवहे क्रीणीमहे
सम्यक्
लोट् लकार क्रीणातु क्रीणीतां क्रीणन्तु क्रीणीः क्रीणीतं क्रीणीत क्रीणानि क्रीणाम क्रीणाम लोट् लकार और आत्मनेपद क्रीणीतां क्रीणातां क्रीणन्तां क्रीणीष्व क्रीणातां क्रीणीध्वं क्रीणै क्रीणावहै क्रीणामहै लङ् लकार अक्रीणात् अक्रीणीताम् अक्रीणन् अक्रीणाः अक्रीणीतम् अक्रीणीत अक्रीणाम् अक्रीणीव अक्रीणीम लङ् लकार आत्मनेपद अक्रीणीत अक्रीणाताम् अक्रीणत अक्रीणीथाः अक्रीणाथाम् अक्रीणीध्वम् अक्रीणीवहि अक्रीणीमहि विधिलिङ् क्रीणीयात् क्रीणीयाताम् क्रीणीयुः क्रीणीयाः क्रीणीयाताम् क्रीणीयातम् क्रीणीयात क्रीणीयाम् क्रीणीयाव क्रीणीयाम विधिलिङ् क्रीणीत क्रीणीयाताम् क्रीणीरन् क्रीणीथाः क्रीणीयाताम् क्रीणीध्वम् क्रीणीय क्रीणीवहि क्रीणीमहि
बहु सम्यक् धन्यवादः The main point in these kinds of dhatus, one of the points, not the main point, in Uttama Purusha, you had said everything correctly, Dr. Sumanji, not correction, but for us to be aware. In Uttama Purusha, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam, for Lat Lakara there is Visarga and no Visarga for the others. Many times, sometimes there will be Visarga. So we have to see where it comes. But generally in Lot, etc., Kreenava, Kreenama, but in Lat, Kreenivaha. So that is the difference. Anyway, Drit Lakara, Kreshyati, Kreshyataha, Kreshyanti. Agre, Kim Bhavishyati?
क्रेष्यसि, क्रेष्यथः, क्रेष्यथ, क्रेष्यामि, क्रेष्यावः, क्रेष्यामः.
सम्यक् विसर्ग भवति. हाँ, and in आत्मनेपद क्रेष्यते, क्रेष्येते, क्रेष्यन्ते. अग्रे
क्रेष्यसे, क्रेष्येथे, क्रेष्यध्वे, क्रेष्ये, क्रेष्यावहे, क्रेष्यामहे.
सम्यक्. Lut Ashirling ring, they have given only Prathama Purusha, Kreta, Kretaro, Kretaraha in both, or Kriyat, Kriyastam, Kriyasuhu, or Kreshishta. So we don't go into detail so much now because most of it is Lagu. Kreshiyastam, Kreshiran, or in Lung, Akreshyat, Akresyatam, Akresyan, or Akreshyata, Akresyetam, Akreshyanta. Lit Lakara, Chikraya, Chikriyatuhu, Chikriyuhu. So in Purana iti atra Puranaha itivat granthe or granteshu lit lakara prayoga bhavati. Chikraya, Chikriyatuhu, Chikrihu, Chikrayitha or Chikretha, Chikriyatuhu, Chikriya, Chikraya अथवा Chikraya, Chikriyiva, Chikriyima. In Parasmepad, Atmanepad, Chikriye, Chikriyate, Chikriyire, Chikrishe, Chikriyate, Chikriyidhve, Chikriye, Chikriyivahe, Chikriyimahe. Lung lakara, Akraishit, Akraishtam, Akraishuhu, Akraishihi, Akraishtam, Akraishta, Akraisham, Akraishva, Akraishma. Atmanepada, Akreshta, Akreshatam, Akreshata, Akreshtaha, Akreshatham, Akredvam, Akreshi, Akrevahi, Akreshvahi, Akreshvahi. Often we rush in comparison through these other lakaras because they are not so common. Lit is fairly common for us, but the first 5 are very common often. Agreed. Niyama ekashatam panchasaptatihi 175. तत्र जातः तत्र भवः तत्र जातः सूत्र क्रमांकः 4325 तत्र भवः 4353. Similar arthas but slight difference is there. They will say उत्पन्न होना या होना अर्थ में अण आदि प्रत्यय होते हैं. अण आदि सो अद्यतन प्रत्ययाः सन्ति अण आदि अन ठक टे everything is going to come. अत्र अद्यतन अभ्यासे अद्यतनस्य अभ्यासे अध्याभ्यासे अनादि प्रत्यय होते हैं. प्रथम कुछ शब्दों के अंत में अ प्रत्यय लगता है तो अ यदि है, यदि अ अस्ति तर्हि कस्मिन् प्रत्यय भवति? यदि अशेषः अस्ति तर्हि कस्मिन् प्रत्ययो अस्ति? अण. सत्यम अण. तो अण will become a. प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि. ये किया we saw in 54th अभ्यास all this. जैसे अंजना आंजनेय for स्त्रीलिंग and दशरथ दाशरथिः for पुल्लिंग, all that अण प्रत्यय प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि. जैसे सृग्ने जातः स्रौघ्नः, सृग्न निवासी. सृग्नः present day Haryana, old city. Srugna Nivasi, Sraugnaha, from Sraugna. Like Upanishad, Brahadaranyaka Upanishad did not make use of these when they spoke about that Madra, Vanga and all. They just said the name of the place. But you can say somebody from there. Adra it will become. Adri, that way. Was it said? Was there any prayoga?
I think Kosala comes, no?
Which one?
Kosala somewhere comes.
Kosala
in Prashna Upanishad.
Ahvayana Kosala, na? Kosala Ahvayanaha. Papracha.
Yes.
We have to see that. Yeah. Was it Ahvayana or somebody else? We have to see that. मथुरा में उत्पन्न माथुरः, माथुरः. कान्यकुब्ज में उत्पन्न हुआ कान्यकुब्ज. वाई? कान्यकुब्ज ही है. क्यों? Vriddhi is already happened.
It's already Ka. It's not, it had Kanya Kubja, it would have become Kanya Kubja.
Correct. Vriddhi is already there. So other Vriddhi, second Vriddhi cannot happen.
Yeah, Vriddhi, and is only.
हाँ. So ka already when it is there, so ka ke vriddhi bhi ka hi hai. So that vriddhi is happening. That way. That is a better explanation than saying second vriddhi will not happen. Ka ke vriddhi. Then second, next is Sindhu. Sindhu, Samudra अथवा सिंध प्रांत में होने
So which place is this Kanya Kubja? Any idea?
कान्य
Now
कुब्ज.
it's in UP.
कन्नौज है ना? कन्नौज.
Yes. Yeah. Then now it's in UP, so that is Kanya.
Kannauj.
This is Ashoka and all, वो राजा उस तरफ का एरिया है शायद.
In old day.
No idea about this, but I know because our ancestors are from Kanyapur, so that way I know that it's in UP, but idea.
We'll see. It says because that Ashoka pillar is in Kannauj, Mauryan emperor Ashoka himself did not have a presence in Kannauj like he did in Gujarat or Bihar. Anyway, that pillar is there. This is Kannauj, Kanya Kubja. सिंधु समुद्र अथवा सिंध प्रांत में होने वाला सैंधव. इन बृहदारण्यक वी हैव सीन सैंधव. याज्ञवल्क्य टोल्ड मैत्रेयी सैंधव, सैंधव किल्य etc. Namak, Ashwa. Then also we had seen, right, those two arthas, both arthas are there. Namak and Ashwa.
And you have to keep looking at Tatparya.
Yes.
Should you bring salt or should you bring the horse?
Correct. That prayoga we had seen, that occurrence we had seen, Drishtanta we had seen in Vedana.
From Samudra is Saindhava, right?
Yeah. From Sindhu is Saindhava. Sindhu में होने वाला. तो दिस इज वाई सी तत्र जातः तत्र भवः. तत्र जात इज उत्पन्न, तत्र भवः होने वाला. उत्पन्न होना या होना इसके लिए दिए हैं. तत्र जात इज फॉर उत्पन्न होना फॉर 323, फॉर 325. और तत्र भवः होना अर्थ में दोनों में आन प्रत्यय किंतु उसमें तत्र भवः फॉर 353.
So Namak will be Tatra Jatah, Ashwa will be Tatra Bhavah.
Sure. But the artha of Saindhava, artha has, that word has two arthas, Namak and Ashwa. Bhavaha is coming next. है ना? Sorry, Sindhu में होने वाला. Correct. So if you take like that, Saindhavaha you can say, okay, Bhavaha, Jataha and Bhavaha, Ashwa. Perhaps you can say that. कुछ शब्दों के अंत में इक फॉर इक लाइक अन प्रत्यय विल गिव अ. विच प्रत्यय विल गिव इक? शारीरिक.
Sorry. I was just thinking of something and I just said. So I was thinking Sharire Bhava iti Sharira. Like that I think Sharirika would come gradually.
Ika should come, na? Sharirika.
Ika should come, yeah.
Ika should come, okay, yeah.
So Sharira is correct. That is un only. Sharira is an pratyaya, na? Sharira. But here, so this Ika, if you remember, we have seen certain words. In fact, they themselves give these words below. Nayyayikaha, Vayyakarana, Nayyayika. Here there is something called thak pratyaya. Thak. So here we are going to give both.
Okay.
Two pratyayas are there. Thak and thain. There are two pratyayas. Thain is like this. Thain.
Is it the first ka or the second ka in tak?
First ka. Thak and thain. I'll show this thing, sutra also. This only. This is Thain. Pragvatesh Thain. You see in the end, Thain. 5118 and 5119 is for Thak. You see, small ka. Arhadago Pucha Sankhya Parimana Thak. So Thak and Thain and Thak they are giving. कुछ शब्दों के अंत में इक लगता है. प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि. मासे भवः मासिकः. शाण मासिकः.
Both convey the same sense as in
yes. Yeah. Similar sense. That is, one will be kal based, time based, and there will be small differences, but the sense is exactly almost the same, like ika. That is, they are both tadhita pratyayas only. Mase bhava masikaha. Varsha bhava varshikaha. Like Kailash Ashram, that Ashtadasha, they say Kailash Ashram mein Varshika Mahotsav. Of course, it is Hindi word also. We can use Varshika from Varsha. Kala Kalikaha. Tatkalikaha. Tatkal. May booking and all that. Tatkalikaha. Pratah Kalinaha. Sayang Kalinaha. Adi Kalina वाले प्रयोग भी प्रचलित हैं, अतः प्रयोग किया जा सकता है, पर व्याकरण अनुसार शुद्ध नहीं है. Any guesses why this kalina is अशुद्ध? व्याकरण अनुसार? You have to check this, but I heard that kalina is an Urdu word. So it is not completely, strictly speaking, shuddha. That is व्याकरण अनुसार. हाँ.
The Kalina in Urdu means something altogether different.
I heard that the thing comes from there.
Because that means to spread, I think, that आप जो बिछाते हो जमीन पर.
Yeah.
It is not the same.
Okay.
समय का जो अर्थ है यहाँ पर.
Yes.
Not the same.
There it is different. Okay.
Not sure.
Okay. I'm not sure if they are connected. But I heard that the reason why they are not Shuddha is because of this. It could be some other reason.
Is there a pratyaya like in for this, like Kalina, to make such a word? That may be a more first principles way to look at it. As in, is there such a pratyaya which will make it so like they are writing here Sayang Kalin, like this is their writing, but Sayan Kalin is the wrong thing. That means such a pratyaya itself might not be there.
Correct.
To make Kalin.
Yes. That's the artha. Yeah, that's the thing. That is why it is not Shuddha, Vyakarana Anusar. We'll have to check, if there is something similar. But exactly that's not come. That is why we say Sayantana here. This one comes for Sayankalina. Artha mein we just say Sayantana. Because there is a pratyaya here for to say Sayantana with the same artha as Sayankalina. So the word is there, but cannot be completely explained. We'll check. We'll have to see, comb through all the pratyayas, but it is Ashuddha because of this. That there is no specific rule for it. व्याकरण अनुसार अशुद्ध है. Tritiya Sayanchiram. Anyone remembers this pratyaya? Sayanchiram something.
Yeah. I mean, we have done it.
We've done it even recently in some class. It came, right?
Is it a Chiram, Siram, something?
Chiram is there here itself.
Yeah.
It is. It had come in some.
Sayam Chiram Prahave Pragye Vyaye Yushya Tulau Tutcha.
Sayan Chiram Prahve Prage Avyayebhyash Tutulau Tutcha. Tut and Tulau. Tutulau pratyaya, and then for that pratyaya Tut Agama will come. Tana we say. That is why. That Takara has come from there, from that Tut. Sayan Chiram Prahve Prage Vyayebhyash Tutulau Tutcha. So Adyatana, when you say Tana, that Tana comes from here. Sayan Chiram Prahve Prage Vyayebhyash Tutulau Tutcha. Adyatana Aaj ka.
Right?
We have?
We have not done this pratyaya as yet.
We have not done. We saw it in passing, I think, in Rachananuvada, Kaumudi. And of course, we have seen at least very, very often in our Swamiji brings it up in Vedanta classes. In fact, even recently I don't remember what it was, 2 weeks, within the last 2 weeks it has come somewhere. Either Naishkarmya Siddhi or this Dasha Shloki, Siddhanta Bindu, or one of those places they said come. I think we saw it in passing a few abhyasas ago. We'll have to check. Adyatana, आज का, पुरातन, पुराना, सायंतन, सायंकालीन. So सायंकालीन, यदि सायंकालीन वदिष्यामः, वदितुमिच्छामः, विवदिष्यामः, विवक्षामः. यदि सायंकालीन विवक्षामः तर्हि सायन्तनः सम्यक् शब्दोऽस्ति. चिरन्तनः, पुराना. इदानीन्तनः, अब का. इदानीं, now. इदानीन्तनः, अब का. So already you've seen this किं ये को प्रत्ययो सन्ति. अण् प्रत्यय, then this क्या है, ika, so thai and thak, and here we see tutulau. Next, tad adhite tad veda. Tad adhite tad veda. This is sutra number 4-59. 4-59. पढ़ने वाला, पढ़ाने वाला या जानने वाला अर्थ में अ या इक. अ कस्मिन् प्रत्ययो अस्ति? अ आण. And इक?
And ika we just did. Ika is the tuck and tie.
Correct. ठय और ठक. So ये तो दो प्रत्यय वहां पे, पढ़ने वाला, पढ़ाने वाला, जानने वाला etc. प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि. जैसे वेद पढ़ने वाला या वेदज्ञ को हम बोलते हैं वैदिक. इक हैज कम देयर. पुराण, पौराणिक. दर्शन भी है ना पौराणिक. इन दिस दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्र, मानसोल्लास एंड ऑल दैट विल कम. पौराणिक इज आल्सो एक्सप्लेन्ड. तर्क, तार्किक. न्याय, नैयायिक. व्याकरण, वैयाकरण. बट इन न्याय एंड व्याकरण there is a difference. What is the difference? Do you see any specific difference from these three, Vaidika to Tarkika, and then from Naiyayika to Vyakarana? What is the difference in the Shabda?
So Nyaya, if you look at it, Nyaya mein you have na, which is basically it's ni. So ni ka ai hua. So that is different from this Vaidikaha. Other thing is with respect to Vyakarana, it makes it different from all the other four. Is each does not have the eka karya coming in, so it is only having a coming.
It is V, isn't it? For Vyakarana, it's V start.
Yes.
So Vaiyakarana it becomes, right? It should not become. I is not Vriddhi, right? Of E.
Yes.
But Vriddhi is only happening everywhere. Prathama svar ko Vriddhi. But here I is coming. And like you said, in Vaiyakarana, it is not thak or tai. That is not happening. Or thak is not happening like all the others. What is happening here? There is a prasiddha, specific, Vishesha Sutra is there. We have seen this sutra at the beginning of Kiranavali. We had seen Naiyayika and Vaiyakarana. There is a sutra 733. Naivabhyam padantabhyam purvautu tabhyam aich. Here what is happening is aich is happening. This aich agama is giving Naiyayakaha or Vaiyakarana, and this is only for Naivabhyam, only for Naiva, Naiva, Na, Iva, those two only, these kinds of words only. Naivabhyam, Padantabhyam. That is why see Padantabhyam is Dvivachanam. Vishesha is only here. Naivabhyam padantabhyam purvautu. Purva mein, in the beginning. Purvautu tabhyam aich. Agama will come and that will make I. 733 Naivabhyam padantabhyam purvautu tabhyam aich. Astu. Any prashna before we go ahead?
So one thing is, Thai can become Ika. So it means that different pratyayas, the resultant karya can be the same. Is
course.
That the idea over there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Something that
Yes, karya can be same. In fact, we had seen other examples also in that earlier. Karta. There were few that ended very similarly, right? It is possible that the karya is very similar. There will be those exceptions in terms of, vriddhi kahan hota hai, or kaun-si akshar mein, which akshara is ending, and where vriddhi will happen only in some places, or guna will happen in some places. That kind of small rule changes will be there. Small differences will be there. If you notice, we can do a quick observation of this itself. These two things. This thai and tak. This is tak, this is thai. You see, prakwatiya artheshu thai pratyaya outsargika rupena bhavati. So they have given, see, shurpa thai, shaurpika. There is a meaning here that time bound, they say. I think they will say for thak pratyaya there is some time bound or something. There is a small sankhya vachik. These two are for thak pratyaya. Sankhya vachi shabdam tata parimana vachi shabdam. Then you'll have to use thak pratyaya. Sorry, vihaya anyebhyo shabdebhyo thak pratyaya bhavati. So like for example, go puchchena kritam, go puchcha thak, go puchchika, gau puchchika. Vriddhi also is happening. So there are these small differences. But like you said, the karya is more or less the same. Ika only is shesha.
So in this one, padhne wala and padhane wala, so both the student and the teacher, it will follow the same word?
No, Ika. Ika will change. They will be there for all these.
Ika will be there.
ये सब अर्थ में अ या इका अंत में लगता है. So, if you are reading Veda पढ़ने वाला is Vaidika. Vedagnya, Veda पढ़ाने वाला वो भी Vaidika. For that they are saying this. But Artha you can take here, but the main point is the Pratyaya will come at the end. That's the critical point.
Yeah, of course.
Ekashatam saptasaptatihi niyama tena proktam. Tena proktam is 43101. Tena proktam. पुस्तक निर्माण अर्थ में रचयिता के नाम के बाद अ या ईय लगता है. अ कौन सी प्रत्यय के शेष है? Arna, sorry. Arna. 3 times it came today. But iya will be for which pratyaya? We have seen this. Yasun, for Yasun you'll have to say yes. Because Gariyas, Baliyas, in that way it will become. Just iya will be. Sorry?
Aniyar? No.
Aniyar
will be there? No. No.
Aniyar will be Aniya. Karaniya. This is very interesting. This iya is a source of confusion often. Is it Aniyar or Yasun or what? We have seen before. If I give the sutra, it will become very easy. I'll give a... So, for example, Swakiya, Parakiya, Madhaviya, Madhaviya Shankara Digvijayam. Madhaviya में कौन सी प्रत्यय है? आयनेयिनीयः. पढ़ कच्छगाम प्रत्ययादीनाम. But pratyaya nama is what? ढ ख छ घाम छ प्रत्यय. छ प्रत्यय is there. That is the शेष for ईय. पुस्तक निर्माण अर्थ में रचयिता के नाम के बाद अण प्रत्यय या छ प्रत्यय लगता है. प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि, जैसे ऋषि रचिता, दैट इज व्हाई वी से आर्ष प्रयोग. आर्ष प्रयोग इज बिकॉज इट इज ऋषि रचिता. ऋकार इज गेटिंग वृद्धि, ऋकार वृद्धि होके आर हो जाता है. सो इट बिकम आर्ष.
Oh, nice. I have always wondered about this word. Very nice.
ऋषि रचिता. So that vriddhi will become R and Arsha.
Very nice.
Manu Rachita Manavaha. That is why in Britannica also Deva Dhanava Manavaha. That Shabda comes in 6th chapter. Panini Rachita Paniniya. That is why I say Paniniya Vyakaranam. Paniniya. Paniniya Yasun. Cha Pratyaya is coming. Not Yasuna. Cha Pratyaya is coming. Paniniya. Paniniya Ashtadhyayi, Srilinga Shabda. Ashtadhyayi is also called Paniniya. Valmiki Rachita Valmikiyam. So here the question will come. Why do we use An Pratyaya some places like Rishi Arshaha, and why should we use Cha Pratyaya for Valmikiya? Valmikiya
वहाँ
Ramayana.
पे वृद्धि हो गई होती है, वहाँ पे it won't to make differentiate it to make some karya happen. Probably we will use the cha pratyaya.
Correct.
So because वाल्मीकि में तो कोई वृद्धि नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Correct. Exactly. That is the answer. So जहाँ जो शब्द वृद्धि हो चुका है उसमें तो we put, मतलब वृद्धि वैसे है तो वहाँ पे जहाँ यत्र यत्र शब्दानि वृद्धि अस्ति एव तर्हि तत्र छ प्रत्यय भविष्यति. यदि वृद्धि न भवति तर्हि अण् प्रत्यय. किमर्थं? यतः अण् प्रत्ययस्य कार्य अस्ति प्रथमस्वरस्य वृद्धि. So that is why वृद्धि is happening through अण् प्रत्यय. But if Valmiki, Panini also वृद्धि, already pa is there. So we cannot differentiate easily. So we put cha pratyaya. अंतिम नियम अद्यतन 178 तस्येदम 43120. तस्येदम का अर्थ ये है कि उसका ये अर्थ, संबंध अर्थ बताने के लिए अ या इका अंत में लगता है. अण प्रत्यय इक ठय और टक. उसका ये that is in that way. प्रथम स्वर को वृद्धि, जैसे दिन संबंधी, ये संबंध अर्थ बताने. So दिन संबंधी दैनिक, ये न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह भी है ना, दैनिक जागरण ऑल दैट. दिन संबंधी दैनिकम. अहन is also दिन only. How we say aharnisham, that ahan. Ahnikam, sometimes people do morning sandhya and all, they call it ahnikam during the day. Deva sambandhi daiva.
We say uttishta narashardula kartavyam daivam ahnikam, I think.
There both have come. See, daivam and ahnikam both are here. Deva sambandhi daiva. So vridhi is happening, sambandhi artha mein vridhi, through either an pratyaya or thak time pratyaya. That is why it's like a family, If we have seen 54 and 55 both abhyases, we are looking at this only. Because there are several pratyayas and several exceptions or specificities within the pratyayas. Daiva sambandhi daiva, sharad sambandhi sharada, and loka sambandhi laukika. This is how laukika shabdas follow. लोक से लौकिक, भूत भौतिक. When in that bhuta bhautika srishtayah etc. And bhautika is coming. this went quickly because we have already seen some background into an pratyaya on 54th abhyasa. So it is not, the artha will not change in any of these. Most of the arthas are going to be the same. Either sambandha, isse utpanna, usse hona, या इससे पे ये पढ़ने वाला, वैसे ही अर्थ है you will get. Okay, there are small differences, but they are all part of one extended family. An, thak, thay, tyut, tulau, cha, etc. कोऽपि प्रश्न अस्ति वा? प्रश्न.
So it looks like, I mean, when we look at Patanjali Maharshi's Mahabhashya, the first chapter is called Vashpashanika. So it looks like that it might have been, even this is Dinaka, it might have been his daily class notes or lessons for that day. I mean, just guessing the nomenclature.
Yeah, that's a nice guess. I don't know if it is correct, but that is a nice observation. It must have been like that. Absolutely. That must have been what he would have done during the day. His day job, if you can say. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrito Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.